Sri Guru Namaga children. See, this is 12th standard state board business max chapter 2 exercise 2.6 integrate 2x plus 5 by x square plus 5x minus 7. If you see the sum, you will differentiate any one of the term, either numerator or denominator. You will get the second term, that differentiation, the term, that long term, you can take it as a t. Okay, check here x square. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. Differentiation of 5x is 5. What is the differentiation of 7? Constant, 0. So you will check the term like this. See, I will take it as x square plus 5x minus 7 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So this term became, you know very well, 2x, that is n into x power n minus 1 plus 5 into x become 1. Constant term 0. What does t become? dt by dx. t become dt by dx. So 2x plus 5 into dx equal to dt. 2x plus 5 into 2x plus 5 into dx equal to dt. So integral 2x plus 5 by x square plus 5x minus 7 into dx equal to, you can change it everything. 2x plus 5 into dx is nothing but what? dt by x square plus 5x minus 7 is nothing but what? t. What is the integration of dx by x? Log of mod x plus c. Log of mod x plus c. So it gives log of mod t plus c. Log of mod t plus c. So log of mod t, what is t value? X square plus 5x minus 7 plus c. Log of mod x square plus 5x minus 7 plus c. See the second sum. See e power integral e power 3 log x by x power 4 plus 1 into dx according to the power rule. See, according to the power rule, you can bring the 3 to the x cube. So it becomes e power log of x cube by x power 4 plus 1 into dx. The e power log of x cube by x power 4 plus 1 into dx. E log get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? It gives integral x cube dx by x power 4 plus 1. X power 4 plus 1. You can take it as the denominator x power 4. X power 4 plus 1 you can take it as t. X power 4 plus 1 you can take it as t, because the differentiation of x power 4 is what? 4x cube. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So that term, this term you can take it as a t. So x power 4 plus 1 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. That x power 4 become what? 4x cube plus 0 equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. So 4x cube equal to dt by dx. The dx to brings to next side, what is the value? 4x cube into dx equal to dt. 4x cube into dx equal to dt, but in the numerator you have a value of x cube into dx. So x cube into dx equal to 1 by 4 dt. So you substitute everything in the given sum. So it gives integral x cube dx is nothing but what? 1 by 4 dt. So 1 by 4 is constant, you can take it out. dt by x power 4 plus 1 is what? T. You can take it as t. So integral dx by x is nothing but log of. So it gives 1 by 4 log of mod t plus c. Log of mod t plus c. 1 by 4 log of mod. You replace the t value because the sum it is in your form of x means the answer should be in the form of x. X power 4 plus 1 plus c. 1 by 4 log of mod x power 4 plus 1 plus c. See the third sum. Integrate. Integrate e power 2x by e power 2x minus 2 into dx. See what is the integration of e power x? E power x. Differentiation of e power x is also e power x. So you can take it as the denominator e power 2x minus 2 equal to t. Some other variable you can take it. So differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. E power 2x. E power 2x become e power 2x into 2. X coefficient you can bring it down. Minus 0. 2 become 0 equal to dt by dx. T become dt by dx. So 2 e power 2x equal to dt by dx. Then e power 2x. 2 e power 2x into dx equal to dt. E power 2x into dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 dt, you can substitute everything in the given sum. See here, integral e power 2x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt by e power 2x minus 2 equal to, you can take it as what? T. So 1 by 2 is constant, you can take it out. 1 by 2 is constant, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? dt by t. So it gives 1 by 2 log of mod t plus c. Because integral dx by x is what? Log of mod x plus c. So you replace the t value by log of mod. What is the t value? E power 2x. E power 2x minus 2 plus c. E power 2x minus 2 plus c. See, integral. Integral, if you want, you can take it as I equal to log x the whole cube by x into dx. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. So you can take it as, you will write in such a way, see, log x the whole cube into 1 by x into dx. Log x the whole cube into 1 by x into dx. So log x you can take it as t. Log x you can take it as t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Log x become what? 1 by x. 1 by x equal to dt by dx. 1 by x equal to dt by dx. 1 by x into dx equal to dt. 1 by x into dx equal to dt. You substitute everything here. See, I equal to integral log x the whole cube t cube. 1 by x into dx is nothing but what? dt. 1 by x into dx is nothing but dt. It gives t power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, because that x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula plus c. T power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. You replace that value of t equal to what? Log x. It gives t power 4 by 4 plus c. I equal to t power 4 by 4 plus c. I equal to log x whole power 4. Log x whole power 4 by 4 plus c. Log x whole power 4 by 4 plus c. See the fifth sum, 6x plus 7. So you can take it as I equal to integral 6x plus 7 by root of 6x plus 7 by root of 3x square plus 7x minus 1 into dx. See, 3x square plus 7x minus 1, you can take it as t. So 3x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to t. Why I should take this term as t? See, differentiation of 3x square is what? 6x. Differentiation of 7x what? 7. 1 become 0. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. 6x plus 7 into 1 plus 0 equal to t become what? dt by dx. T become dt by dx. So 6x plus 7. 6x plus 7 into dx equal to dt. 6x plus 7 dx equal to dt. Everything you can substitute in I equal to integral 6x plus 7 dx is nothing but what? dt by, this term is root t. This term is what? Root t. Root means it is nothing but a power of 1 by 2. So I equal to integral t power 1 by 2, it brings to the numerator, it becomes what? T power minus 1 by 2. T power minus 1 by 2 into dt. Because it is in the denominator, t power 1 by 2, that root become 1 by 2, brings to the numerator, it nothing but what? T power minus 1 by 2. So I equal to, now I am integrating that value. So if I am integrating, you don't put integration sign. T power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. T power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus c. So I equal to t power, you can take the LCM, 2 as the LCM, t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. I equal to reciprocal that process, 2 t power 1 by 2 plus c. What is t value? You replace the t value. I equal to 2 into, what is the t value? 3x square plus 7x minus 1 plus c whole power 1 by 2 plus c. 1 by 2 means what? Root of. So it gives root of I equal to root of 3x square plus 7x minus 1 plus c. See the sixth sum, 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1. You can take it as I equal to integral, you can write it in such a way, x square plus x plus 1 into 4x plus 2 into dx. So this term I can take it as t. So x square plus x plus 1 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So x square become what? 2x. X square become 2x. X become 1. X square become 2x. X become 1 equal to dt by dx. Differentiation of y with respect to x means dy by dx. The same way you can write dt by dx. So 2x plus 1 into dx equal to dt. 2x plus 1 into dx equal to dt. Now everything you can substitute in the sum. Here 2 is common, I can take it out. So 2 I can take it out. See here, root of x square plus x plus 1 into 2 I can take it as, what is the remaining thing here? 2x plus 1 into dx. 2x plus 1 into dx. So I equal to 2 into integral. This value I can take it as what? T. Root t into 2x plus 1 into dx is nothing but what? dt. 2x plus 1 into dx is dt. So it gives 2 into integral. That root means 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 into dt. Now you apply the integration formula. What is that? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. It gives 2 into t power 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. See, it gives 2 into t power 3 by 2. T power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. 2 power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Reciprocal that value. It gives what? 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. 3 by 2 plus c. You replace the t value. What is the t value? Yeah, root x square plus x plus 1. So it gives 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. I equal to 4 by 3 x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. See the 7th sum, x power 8 1 plus x power 9 whole power 5. Let us take it as I equal to integral 1 plus x power 9 whole power 5 into x power 8 into dx. X power 8 into dx. So x power 9, you differentiate this term, 1 becomes 0, x power 9 become 9x power 8. So it gives, you can take it as 1 plus x power 9 equal to t. 1 plus x power 9 equal to t. 1 becomes 0 plus 9x power 9 minus 1, n into x power n minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So dt by dx. So 9x power 8 equal to dt by dx. 9x power 8. 9x power 8 or x power 8. 9x power 8. X power 8 into dx equal to dt. X power 8 into dx equal to 1 by 9 into dt. 1 by 9 into dt. So substitute everything. I equal to integral t power 5. This is t power 5. X power 8 dx. X power 8 dx is nothing but what? 1 by 9 dt. 1 by 9 is constant, you can take it out. Integral t power 5 into dt. I equal to, it gives 1 by 9 into t power, that is n plus 1 by n plus 1, you can write straight away, 6 by 6 plus c. So it gives I equal to 1 by 9 6 are 54. 54 t power 6 plus c. The t value you can replace. What is the t value? 1 plus x power 9. I equal to 1 by 54. 1 by 54, what is the t? 1 plus x power 9. X power 9 whole power 6 plus c. See the final answer here. See here. I equal to 1 by 54, 1 by 54, 1 plus x power 9 whole power 6 plus c.